Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to override your configuration globally. By default, all the configuration will be stored in the database. So you will be exporting them into YAML and you will be moving those YAML from one side to another and you will be pushing and importing the configuration. But when you want to change any configuration globally based upon the environment, in that case, you can go with this option. So for example, if you take config split module, so split module will splitting the configuration based upon the environment. So whatever configuration you should have only on development, you will be having them in a separate folder. Whatever configuration you should need only on the prod, those will be in a separate folder. So all those configuration folder path will be enabled and disabled by the config variable in a setting.php. If you don't know about those, I already posted a video about config split module. You can go and have a look into that. So today I'm going to showcase very simple scenario to override your configuration globally. So to do that, you have to open your setting.php file. So I already opened my setting.php file. So in your setting.php, we will be having a command called configuration override. So this is the example they already provided to override a configuration. So there is a variable called config, that's a global variable. This you can use to override any configuration variable in your site. So here how you have to do is that in your site, if you go to configuration, development, synchronization, export. So for each configuration, you will be having a YML file name, right? So you have to do with the YML file name. So let me explain a simple example. So I'm going to take a system.site. So this is the YML file which contain all the site information. So if you see here, you can see all the site information. So which holds this data. So configuration system basic site settings. So whatever you are configuring for your site name, slogan or whatever, so all will be stored in this YML file. So this is what we are going to override now. So the site name is by default, it is configured as localhost. So the file name is system.site. So when you go here and here you can see, so you can enable or you can create new variable of config, and the first key value for array is a file name of a configuration. So for our case, the file name was system.site. So I have given that. So I'm just going to keep the same what we have. So system.site, and I'm going to change the name of the site. So site name currently it is a local host when you go and see. Yeah. So the site name before it was localhost. So since I enabled it, the site name was a my Drupal site. So changing site name. Okay. Now let me go and clear the cache. So now you can see the site name is changed. So you can globally change all the configuration variable by using the setting.php. So by default, setting.php will be in gitignore. So easily you can handle environment specific configuration by using this setting.php value variable. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.